Good morning, everyone. It's Debbie. Look. I have 2 of my sunflowers coming up, 3 nasturtiums, and 2 marigolds. I was so excited to see them. Everything else is doing good. Here's my lettuce. The cilantro. My peppers are popping. Here's my peppers there too. Tomatoes are doing really good. Got some blossoms. The brandywine over here has had a little trouble, but it's pulling through now, as was this brandywine. The jet stars are doing really good. This one had curly leaves, but I took care of that problem, so now I'll see tomorrow if they recover. Here's the other jet star. The rosemary, oregano, and parsley are doing well, as is the basil. And I have a little playful kitten over here. He's doing a job on the hostas, but I'm pretty sure they'll come through. But everything's doing good. It's a pretty warm day. We had showers this morning. Pretty good rainstorm there for a minute. Here's some orange babies. Had a lot of rain last night. And there's Sweet Boy. Sweet Boy. Sweet Boy, come on, baby. He likes laps, sitting on my lap. But anyway, had a couple good rainstorms, and I'm sure there's more on the way. The skies look pretty crazy still. But just wanted to show a garden update. Okay, take care and God bless. Bye-bye.